AI Builder is the most powerful capability within Gong. And if you are not using it yet, you are absolutely missing out. So I'm going to show you here today how I used Gong's AI Builder to actually replicate what another top performer at Gong was doing. So what the AI Builder is it allows you to create any content with AI. So an output based on your actual conversations in the Gong data, right? So all emails, all calls, all web meetings, CRM data like accounts and opportunities and all that rich context in one place. Then you can write prompts over the top of that data to get exactly what you want to be able to deliver. So very, very limitless. So think of a specific use case in your world that would be valuable. For me, there is a top performer, we'll call him Rick, that came from a competitor of Gong that does really, really excellent against one specific competitor because he used to work there. So what I wanted to do is replicate some of his talk tracks versus that specific competitor because he is the best of the best in his talk tracks, his trap questions, and his line of questioning. So what I came in here and did, always go to this ad sources first. You want to build the content and the output off of the right data set. So for me, I came in here and let's just pretend his name is Alex instead of Rick. And it's going to filter down now just to Alex's calls. So instead of taking a look at maybe 1 million calls in this Gong data set, we can filter down to just Alex in particular, down to 419 calls. Now you can make this even more specific. You could come in and say, hey, I only want to take a look at Alex's early stage calls, deal stage during call, and you can highlight which stages. Or you could even look at, hey, I only want to take a look and draw from deals that, Alex worked that turned up being closed won. So it's taking a look at likely his very best calls and his best opportunities, or 100K plus deals, you name it. You can always hit add filters and search for any fields like amount or ARR, things like that, if you want to really refine this. I'll pretend like 419 is great, and we'll just kind of go off of that. From there, I can write my prompt in here. So, create out a battle card of, Gong versus Evil Corp based on what works best for Alex in particular. And then what I could write from here is highlight his line of questioning, his top talk tracks, how he positions us, etc. You hit go here and Gong will start to create and generate that content. I'll show you what the end output looks like with one of these battle cards. So this would be taking a look at, we'll call Gong Reality Corp and the competitor Evil Corp. It's going to break out an overview. It's going to give us a head-to-head comparison since I asked for it. Now, this is my absolute favorite. It's not only going to line out things like key differentiators and objection handles, but it's linking back to every single time Alex actually referenced this in conversation. So if I'm like, hey, this is a great talk track, I want to emulate this. This is how Alex positions it. Now I can go in here and actually listen to that snippet, that voice of customer, see how the customer responded afterwards, where it took that conversation, and get to that more in-depth learning in a matter of seconds versus having to hunt through those different calls and conversations. This is all a running tab on the left here of a conversation. So if there's something I'm missing here, like say I didn't have winning talk tracks, and I wanted to put that in here, I can have it create a bigger output based off that kind of save chat and memory feature. Try out using AI Builder for something similar. Try out for a new product, or if there's a certain top performer on your team you're trying to learn from, just make sure, once again, you really nail which sources you add from so you can create the output off of the right data set.